Today, I'll walk you through how to apply multiple filters on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to layer filters on your photos or videos so you can enhance your snaps creatively. Let's dive right in. First, open your Snapchat app. If you're not familiar with the interface, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat often updates its design, but the core functionality remains the same. Just look for the familiar camera screen. Once you have the app open, you'll want to record a photo or video using the filter that you want. To do this, simply swipe left on the camera screen. This action will cycle through the available filters. Choose the one that catches your eye. It's like picking the perfect outfit for a special occasion. After capturing your photo or video, a preview will show up on your screen. This is your chance to review what you've just created. Take a moment to appreciate your work. It's like admiring a painting before it's finished. During this preview, swipe left again to explore and find your desired second filter. This step is crucial because it allows you to add another layer of creativity to your snap. Think of it as adding a second coat of paint to your artwork. It enhances the overall effect. Once you've selected your second filter, you can adjust the intensity or position if needed. This flexibility allows you to create a unique look that truly represents your style. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your snap looks, go ahead and share it with your friends or save it to your memories. You've just mastered the art of applying multiple filters on Snapchat. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.